Hello everyone, this is Suri. It has been a long time since we last met. As we all know, Moblie LED Display is one of best-selling products. We received a lot of good feedback from our clients. Most of them are more concerned about how to install the taxi screen with the cardboard case. So today, let me give you a little bit more insight. Before confirming the order, we will check with the customer the size of cardboard case they need. Normally, we have 4 types to choose from: A, B, C, and D. You only need to measure the roof rain gutter and car window spacing of your car. It'd be better if you can provide us the pictures of your car type, so our purchasing department will match the appropriate bracket for you. Also, you can buy it locally or online shop, such as Amazon. One set of cardboard case includes all the installation accessories. Each set of different bracket types can be stretched, just according to your own requirements to be adjusted. These are the hooks fixed on the bracket of the position of door frame. There are burglar-proof locks on both ends of the brackets. You can fasten it with the lock. It's very firm, so there is no need to worry about it being stolen.